Hey, I'm David from BKC, and we put beehives all over Kansas City, mostly urban farms, and then we give the honey to the farmer for free. What I'm doing now is installing some bees at Ophelia's Blue Vine right here on Vine Street. And so we've got about 60,000 bees right here with all the equipment. And in just about an hour, they'll be flying around this neighborhood looking for food, pollinating everything, and just having good lives, basically.
Elijah, we gotta go get the bees.
I'm good.
I know you're working on the watermelon, but come on now. I guarantee you're not gonna get stung. Let's go.
I'm good. Well, obviously, there's absolutely no way I'm getting that bee suit. Look, I'm gonna let you and the professional handle it. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Yeah, when you start to see them up close, they're just so beautiful.
All right, here we go.
Because basically they only sting when they're like defending a home, and they don't really have a home right now. What all they want to do is get into a box.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
So the queen's in a box because the bees aren't related to her, so they need a few days to get used to her smell. And the box has a little bit of candy on one end. This is going to go in with all the bees, and then they're going to chew through the candy. By the time they're done with that, they'll be used to her smell, and then they'll all just go about their business. And if you, you can just use the smoke as like a wall, because it just really confuses them.
Elijah, come over with that smoke. Come on with that smoke, Elijah. You need me to spray it? Yeah, smoke it up.
And you can even smoke your clothes. Alright, so get ready with the smoke.
I can't believe I just got stung.
Yep. Yeah, and then just shake them out.
A lot of bees in there. Okay guys, we did it. And I want to thank David with BKC for doing an amazing job. This is going to be incredible. We're going to have tomatoes, we're going to have rosella, just an abundance of stuff, because these bees are going to pollinate our stuff like crazy, and also we'll have honey. So again, thank you so much for what you do, and tell them about how they can get a hold of you if they're interested in perhaps getting some bees for their farm.
Yeah, definitely. First, thanks to you guys for hosting them. It's really awesome to be able to put them on beautiful farms throughout the city. We are BKC, bkc.org, at BKCMO, on Instagram. Very easy to contact in Google, and we do events all the time, honey pop-ups. You can get anything through our website. So yeah, just look us up. Beekeeping workshops, answer a ton of questions over email. So lots of fun.
Thanks guys. Again, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and we'll see you in the next video.